Today I will show you how to connect Supabase with Vercel, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Supabase account. Once you're logged in, it's going to bring you to the dashboard, which is going to look like this, multiple projects. That's if you have multiple projects, but you're going to find the projects that you want to connect to Vercel, and once you click on it, you're going to go to the left side of the side panel, the one that pops up when you hover over it, and we're going to go to project settings. Look on the left, it says settings. On the settings, we see integrations. We're going to click on integrations. Now once we click on integrations, if you look here, you're going to see Vercel. Now we're going to install Vercel integration, and we're going to click on install. So it's going to ask us to log into Vercel. Let's do that using our Now that we're logged into Vercel, we're going to click on install, and it's going to ask if you want to create a new Supabase account or you want to link existing Supabase account. So we're going to click on link existing Supabase. So click on continue. Now it's going to ask you to choose a team. We're going to choose this team, and we're going to click on connect account. Now you can see it says install Vercel integration. So choose an organization. We're going to choose the same organization, and we're going to click on install integration. Now it's loading projects. Now you can decide to choose which organization or which project under Supabase you want to connect to which Vercel project. We can skip that, or we can choose to connect that, but let's skip that. And it's completed installation. And just like that, we've been able to connect Supabase to Vercel. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.